Morning guys, it's 25 after 8. It is Saturday, January 14th, and Chip and I are going to go for his morning walk. Hey Chippy, you ready to go outside? It rained a lot last night, so all of the snow in our driveway and on our road is gone, and the ice is gone, so it's going to be wet and messy out there. I'm on my way to an appointment. It is pouring rain outside. It's 9:40 right now. I have to be there by 10, so I should get there on time. I was running a little bit late because I was trying to do something with my hair. It's washed, so I threw a hat on and put it in a ponytail. So plans for today are my appointment at 10, and my friend is having her little girl's birthday today, so I'll be going to that at 5. And then my brother asked if Seamus and I wanted to go to a hockey game tonight, so we may do that. Okay, I finished with my appointment. I'm at the mall now. I'm just gonna go into Winners just to look around for fun. I haven't really been at the mall since Christmas, and I don't have anything particular I'm looking for. I'm just gonna go look around, see what's going on at Winners. So I ended up getting a few things at Winners. I couldn't not get this for Chip. It's a dog toy, but it looks like a cupcake, and I thought it was so cute. It was $6.99, and I got a gift bag and card. Seamus was talking about not having enough like activewear pants. Like these are New Balance like pants, but they're like fleece lined from here to the knees, so I thought that they'd be good for like being outside and walking the dog. I don't know if you can see the New Balance thing on the leg, but they're pretty nice. They were $39.99, and I got him this shirt that was $14.99. It's an Under Armour shirt. Yeah, so I think he will like those. It's not for any occasion. I just saw them and figured he needed them. Oh, I bought a table too. So I don't know if you can kind of see it back there. In our living room, we have the new couch and chair there, and I don't have a coffee table right now. Our living room is very small. When I put a coffee table there, it's just kind of in the way and annoying. I don't know, I might eventually get one, but for now, we don't have a coffee table. But I wanted something to go in between the couch and the chair because there's a little space there just to like put your phone on or put a drink on or something. So I got a little table. I don't know if it's gonna look good, but I'm going to put it in the spot when I get home and just see how it looks. Okay, I'm home now, and I put the table in the spot where I want it, and I can't decide if I like it or if it just looks really small and I could get like a larger rectangle one. I'll show you. Kind of just looks so sad and alone over there. Don't mind the marks on the wall. I have to fix those, but I probably should get a rectangle one, but at the same time, I'm just like, is it fine? I don't know. We just want something to like rest your phone on or a drink. It's very small. Or should I get a rectangle one? I don't know. I just got out of the shower and got dressed for the party. I really don't have anything to wear, so I have this gray button-up top on and jeans, but I might put this black sweater on. In the car with Seamus and Chip. They're gonna drop me off at my friend Megan's house for her little girl's birthday, and then we're going to the Eagles game. Hey guys, we're back from the hockey game. And the vlog here because I'm gonna get ready and go to bed. It's 10:15. I'm gonna edit this in the morning. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a big thumbs up. Scroll down, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos from me. See you tomorrow.